Tyler, we should do a mukbang.
What?
A mukbang. It's where you order a bunch of different kinds of food and you have it out in front of you and you just like talk to the camera about random topics or like questions or things like that. Give this video a thumbs up if you want Tyler and I to do a mukbang. And subscribe.
One question could be, why the hell do inmates get free food but school kids don't? What about that?
Alright, it is now time for lunch, and usually for lunch I kind of just have whatever's in the fridge. Like leftovers or something like that. So today for my lunch, it's going to be some Italian sausage, some peppers, onions, fingerling potatoes, and green beans in chicken broth, just warmed up. I made it in the crock pot last night. It kind of looks really, really gross, but it's actually really, really good, and I love it. Another fat burner and another CLA. Oh my gosh, what do you have to say to them? You're so panty. Oh, hello. Seriously, Tyler and I should do a mukbang. I think that'd be so fun. We're one of those people who we don't eat to live, we live to eat, so a really big fruit salad. You can throw some grilled chicken on there if you want, but we are just having ours with a burger and a slice of provolone cheese.
Not enough for that.
Y'all, this ice cream is so good. It's the Ben & Jerry's caramel and cookie ice cream. It's vanilla ice cream with salted caramel swirls and shortbread cookies. It's, oh, focus on that. Looks like this. It's 150 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, 25 carbs, 3 grams of protein per half a cup. But I mean, balance. Good morning and happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to have oatmeal, maybe? with some salsa, no bun, and some pickles. And then I'm also gonna have some Greek yogurt. And then I think I'm gonna have like a handful of these little sourdough pretzels that we have. They're really, really good. Oh. Over here. Like these little sourdough things. Just maybe like 5. And then we'll see how I feel. Just kidding, I changed my mind. I'm gonna have some organic stone ground blue corn tortilla chips with sprouted amaranth, quinoa, and chia seeds, and then some of my salsa still with these. So you can see the lettuce, the pico, and then like under here we got some rice and black beans and sweet pork. Chips. Chizzo, chips, chizzo, chip. Chizzo. Guys, today I'm just going to have one packet of oatmeal again. It's creamy, it has oats in it, and maple and brown sugar, and some cinnamon and some peanut butter. Some water.
Some microwave.
It's good. Did we just play fetch? Did we just play fetch? Alright guys, it is now lunchtime, and for lunch I'm just gonna have my leftover Costa Vida. I usually only eat a half to like 3/4 of like my Costa Vida bowl the night before, so now for lunch I'm just gonna have like what's left. I am obsessed with Costa Vida. It's seriously so good. We decided to make breakfast for dinner, which we really love doing because it's really easy and really good. I mean, who doesn't love breakfast food? The Kodiak cakes look like. I already threw the box away, so I'm sorry about that, but they're really, really good. I'll insert a picture here. Why are you always sitting underfoot, especially in the kitchen? Paw. Aww. Other paw. Paw. Yay! Okay, and then for the syrup that we use for our pancakes is just the sugar-free Maple Grove Farms low-calorie syrup. I actually really love this syrup, and it's only 15 calories, 6 carbs, 0 fat, 0 protein, and that is for like a serving size of 1/4 of a cup, which if you think about it, 1/4 of a cup is kind of a lot for syrup, I think, for me at least. But yeah, it looks like this. It's really good. And voila! seriously so good. We got the pancakes with the little mini chocolate chip morsels, and then the omelet with ground turkey, turkey sausage and onion and a little bit of sharp cheddar. And then we love to eat our omelet, or I guess kind of like scramble hash with corn salsa. Yum! Happy Friday! Today for breakfast I'm having just another English muffin with some peanut butter. And I also had my fat burner, my daily cleanse, my CLA, and my balance. Oh! For lunch I'm just having a protein shake and some barbacoa, which looks like this. It's so good. I've never heard of it before or had it, and well, I've had it one time before, which is how I knew it's so good, but it's absolutely amazing. It's like a Mexican pork, I think. Leave a comment if you know what barbacoa is. Okay, it's Friday and it's dinner time, and that means pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. I just got the first small pan pizza, and I'll probably honestly only eat like 3 pieces. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what other videos you want to see from me. Of course, this isn't the healthiest meals you can have for breakfast, lunch, dinner. I'm not on a prep, I'm not cutting, I'm not doing any of that. I'm just trying to have a balanced lifestyle, and for me, this is just what works. I try to be healthy in some areas, and then on the other hand, I eat what I want because that's what I enjoy, and I don't want to restrict myself because I know if I do, then it'll just end up being worse. I think the key to living a balanced lifestyle is, for one, portion sizes. You know, if you do decide to have pizza or Oreos or whatever it may be, don't have a whole entire thing of Oreos, as tempting as that may be. Only have like 4 to just, you know, satisfy your hunger and satisfy the craving that you're having regarding that, you know, quote unquote unhealthy food. And then another thing too is thinking about how your day has been so far in regards to food. So, you know, if you have something unhealthy for breakfast and lunch, have something healthy for dinner, or vice versa. So that is all. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll try to do more recipe videos on like my healthier options for dinner. And yeah, a lot of my recipes that are healthy that I have made are on my highlights on my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram. I'll have my username down below. All of my recipes and stories, or all of my recipes and food that I make that are considered healthy is on my highlights. So, okay, bye!